Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I did like this super quick glam look this morning because I was running late because of course your girl had to stay up and do and finish watching the Isley Brothers concert. Hello, yes, it gave me everything I needed it to give. It gave everything it was supposed to have gave, honey. But anyway, I wanted to just share this really quick look with you guys. This is like my go-to look when I'm running late, just to kind of get in and get out. Y'all know that's my slogan: get in and get out, honey. But we're gonna start out with the brows. At the bottom of the brows, like what you guys see me doing here right now, is this is the crayon case ebony brow gel that I'm using on the bottom, and then on the top I use the lip bars pencil, and I think this is in the shade dark brown, and I just go over top and just blend it out. Don't ask me why I do that. I don't know. In my mind, it just seems to make sense. So that's how we do it. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brows. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. concealer. It's in the shade Deep Cinnamon, and I'm going to clean them up. So if you guys watched my last video, you guys know that I've been using like this bigger brush to clean them up, and I actually kind of like it. It's working for me. It spreads a good amount of product under my brows, and it just makes me feel a lot better to do it. And then it's also serving as a base for my eyeshadow as well, so that's really helpful. But anyway, I'm just going to go in, I'm going to clean up those brows and just make sure they're nice and neat. Again, making sure that this is also going to serve as a base for my eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is literally so simple, y'all. So this is going to be the Morphe M35 Boss palette that I'm using, and I'm using the burgundy shade in there, and I'm just applying that right to my crease, and we're just going to do a nice little build up. Like I told y'all in the last video, with me applying the concealer as a base, I can truly say that I do see where my pigments are a lot brighter. They're probably not as bright as if I would use a white base, which I probably should try that in the future. I will try that. And I really need to go to Ulta. My plan was to go to Ulta today, y'all. Like, I'm not even joking, and I totally forgot. Got tired, sidetracked, and just came on home. But anyway, you just want to build that up into the crease, and then from there you're going to use like another fluffy brush just to kind of blend that out with a brown. So just to make sure there's no harsh demarcation lines, we just want to go in there with like a light brown, and just go ahead and blend that out. So this is where I'm telling you guys to go in with that lighter brown and just blend it out there. As you guys can see, it makes for a nicer transition. Once again, we're really short on time, so we're trying to get in and get out. Nobody has time for the extraness. And the Okay, so now I'm going in and I'm just applying the shimmer shadow. I don't know where I saw this. It was probably on YouTube, but you spray your brush with just like a little bit of setting spray, and then you dip that into the shadow and then apply it, and it makes it a little bit more pigmented. I would still prefer to do a cut crease, like using, you know, like the e.l.f. concealer or my Anastasia concealer. I would much rather prefer to do that, but again, we're on a crunch for time, and we do not have time for the extra shenanigans that I normally go through in the mornings. So this is just going to work, and I think it came out pretty good. It's simple. It's, you know, in and out, and you know, going about your day. Okay. So once you have this shimmer built up the way that you want it to, you're going to go ahead and add some color to the inner corner. I decided to add a pop of green. Y'all know green is like my favorite color, along with blue, along with purple. Those little, tones are just like my stuff on my skin tone, but whatever. You want to go ahead and add that into the corner. This green was not giving what it was supposed to have gave. I thought it was going to come out so much brighter than what it is, and it just did not do that. So yeah, you guys can use whatever color you want. I just decided to use green, and it was okay. It wasn't, bad. I am going to start doing more color now that I have my camera set up the way that I want it to, and post-production is a lot better. So I am going to start doing more color. As a matter of fact, I might do that tomorrow if I can get to bed pretty early. Now you guys see me going in with the Black Radiance primer. This is the one in the purple bottle. I tried to buy the bigger bottle in stores, but I guess they only have like the little mini ones. I'm not really sure. I don't know what that's about. I have to look again, but I think they only had the mini ones at Target, so I was pretty upset. Anyway, after that, you're gonna go in with your lashes. These lashes are from my line, RJ Beauty, and this is in the style short. Once again, we want to get in and get out, so therefore I'm using the most natural, but one of the most natural lashes that I actually have on the line. Actually dropping 5 more natural styles that should be here within like the next 2 weeks. Keeping my fingers crossed. I did speak with my vendor already, so she should be shipping those pretty soon, so I'm kind of excited about that. From there, you're going to go in with your foundation. I use the Maybelline 30 Hour Wear. This is in the shade Truffle. 362 is the number. But, whatever foundation works for you, works for you. I was going to pick up some MAC since I had got my Stemmy. But then I was like, all the reviews on MAC have just been terrible. Like, they've been saying, like, it used to be the it spot. I remember when I first started doing makeup in like 2015, MAC was the one. Like, all these other companies were not as popping as they were, as MAC was back then. So yeah, but I was gonna try it again because I don't know if I'm like an NW45 in MAC. I cannot remember. It's been so long, but their products are a little bit on the expensive side. But I was gonna try it, and then I was like, no, I don't want to. But I may go up there and try the Fenty Beauty because I've been hearing nothing but great stuff about Fenty. And I did try her when she first came out, and the foundation was pretty good. But this is back when the foundation was like $20. Now I think they done bumped the price to like $35, and the setting spray was pretty cheap as well. So I'm gonna try some more Fenty. I love her setting powder. Oh my goodness, what is that? The honey? I think it's the honey. Oh my gosh. As a matter of fact, I need to go up there and get it. The honey is popping. I love that setting powder. As a matter of fact, let me put that on my list right now. I am going to go up there to Fenty and buy some more of that because okay, so I've gotten all off topic. Y'all know when I get to talking, and a million and one things just run through my mind. Anyway, this is the Black Radiance Espresso Foundation, but I use it to contour, and I've applied it to my cheekbones as well as my forehead, and I like to use a sponge to blend that out. Just a personal preference. You guys can use whatever you want to blend it out. I personally just like to use the sponge. Now, I did keep in the way that I contour my nose because I don't know if anybody was interested in that. I can't remember. But I did keep in that so you guys could see. So the way that I contour my nose is on here as well. This is pretty much the same as any other videos. Y'all know, like, I'm not like really, I don't know, like I really don't change up my stuff too much when it comes to the face. I'm like, it'll change every once in a while. Sometimes I'll try something new and that'll be my thing, but for the most part it is the same throughout. So if you've seen it once, you've seen it again, but I decided to just put it in this video just in case nobody has seen it or they're new here, you know what I'm saying, because we are upping our subscribers. Hey newbies, how you all doing? So once you've applied, y'all know I do go ahead and set. So I did set with my Morphe. Ooh, I think it is Deep Banana. Oh, you know what? I think I looked it up online today. I don't even think they call it Deep Banana anymore. I think it might be banana something. It's whatever banana powder is made for deep skin tones. It'll tell you if you go to Ulta.com. It'll show you that. And that is the one that I use, or I have been using in the last 2 videos. It's just been sitting in my room, in my little glamour room. So I haven't really played with it in a while, but I was like, let me pick it up. And I have liked it the last couple days that I've used it. I don't know if I would prefer it over my Black Radiance, but it is pretty good, and I think I'm just trying to get used to working with it. Anyway, I had already went ahead and set with that, and then I applied the Morphe little contour palette that they have, and I applied the deeper shades to my contour. And then now you guys see me going back in, and I am just baking with the Morphe setting powder as well. But the only thing with this is I'm not allowing it to like be super bright. I'm actually pushing this into my skin, that way I don't have to do a whole bunch of like wiping off of the excess, if that makes sense. So I'm just kind of pushing it in just to give myself a brighter under eye without having to bake as long. Okay, so now on to these lips, honey. Y'all know it's the same thing every single time I'm gonna do a nude. I don't care who likes it. I don't care if you don't like it. This is just my signature. It's what I feel comfortable with, and I feel like it accentuates my lips. Ew. Anyway, this is like a brown pencil. Your girl is coming out with some lip liners, lipsticks, and lip glosses. I have those en route as well. I did find another vendor for that. I'm just sampling before we go ahead and make the major purchase. Just wanted to sample and make sure that they are good. This is the Morphe lipstick that I'm using. It's in the shade Flirt. Now, it did come real ghetto. It was on sale though, so I'm not even upset. But it came broken and everything like that. But it is a very cute shade, and it is super pigmented and moist. I don't know another word to say besides moist. Like it makes sure your lips not chapped. Okay, it gives you some real good coverage. Okay, so now I'm just applying some pink gloss to my lips just to kind of set all of that in place. This is the end of the video, so if you guys have made it here, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Let me tell y'all what this is in case somebody asks. This is the Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray, or Fix Lasting Spray, something like that. It's in the purple bottle, and I'm just setting my face with this. I have not been able to find my damn Maven Beauty setting spray in the orange bottle. It's around here somewhere, y'all. I lose so much makeup, it makes no damn sense, but I always gotta be a good. Anyway, make sure y'all subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.